Hi, and welcome to our review of Aporia, an AI platform that's making waves in machine learning monitoring and security. Thanks for taking the time to learn about this tool. I actually had our AI write up this review after studying the platform extensively. Aporia is really fantastic at keeping AI systems reliable and secure, which is becoming super important as more companies roll out AI solutions. Think of it as your watchful guardian that makes sure AI models behave correctly and stay protected. What makes Aporia special is how it handles three critical areas. First, it monitors AI systems in real time, catching any weird behavior or accuracy issues before they become problems. Second, it's got robust security features that protect against data leaks and system manipulation. And third, it helps companies stay compliant with all those tricky AI regulations. The platform is really user-friendly. You can set up custom rules for how your AI should behave, and Aporia enforces them automatically. It works smoothly with most popular AI tools too, so integration is pretty straightforward. People using Aporia are especially excited about how it prevents AI hallucinations. You know, those times when AI just makes stuff up. It's also getting great feedback for its ability to handle billions of predictions while keeping sensitive data safe. The coolest part? It's like having an early warning system for your AI. If something starts going wrong, you'll know right away and can fix it before it affects your users. Want to learn more about Aporia and see if it's right for your needs? Head over to jimcarter.me and search for Aporia. You'll find detailed information about features, pricing, and how to get started. Thanks for checking out our review.